Do you know someone, or does it happen to be you, that often suffers with a lot of hiccups? They don't necessarily associate hiccups with a back problem that a chiropractor might see. Believe it or not, it actually could be a problem within your neck that might need to be assessed. There's a nerve that actually comes from the lower neck that goes to the diaphragm, which could have a component with the cause of some of the ongoing hiccups. So if you see someone with a constant hiccup issue, maybe they need to have their neck assessed by a chiropractor.